In this part, we are going to see how to use motion and transform visual effects in VideoPad. I have already added the picture on the sequence, so let's see. On Home tab, click on the video effects. Under Motion and Transforms, click on the crop. You can crop the image from all the four sides. For that, drag the slider. Once done, click on the close button. Now, if you want to position the image on the screen, click on the video effects and click on position effect. Now drag the horizontal or the vertical slider to change the position of your image. Once done, click on the close button. Now if you want to change the size or you want to scale your picture, click on the video effects and click on the scale option and drag the horizontal and the vertical slider. If you want to add pan and zoom style to your picture, click on video effects and click on pan and zoom. In effects window under pan and zoom, click on the preview effect checkbox. Click on the play button. Now if you want to add a mirror effect to your image, click on the video effects and click on mirror option. To see the preview of the mirror effect, check the enable checkbox and you can see the preview of the effect in clip preview panel. To change the direction of the mirror effect, click on the direction. Once done, click on the close button. Let's try the mirror effect with this video. So this way you can add motion and transform visual effects to your picture and video in VideoPad.